video we understood what is SEO. So in this video we will understand how to use SEO for your website, that is Mr. A's Coffee Shop. That is Mr. A's Coffee Shop. So in this video we will understand how you need to actually optimize. What are those technical site things that you need to understand when you are creating a website. So there are most important things which you need to understand, that is H1 tags, the keywords what you are using, the content what you are writing. Whenever Google scans your website, that is behind the scenes with the source code, it sees what are the tags you have used, what are the H1 tags, what are the H2 tags, that is head 2 tags, and what are the keywords you have used. Whenever people are searching with those related keywords, your website should appear on search results page. So you need to include these things in your website in the source code. What is SEO? We have understood. Now to understand how you need to use it, start with the keywords what you are using. That is, if someone searches, this is all about guess, that how people might search for your website. That is, someone might search like coffee shops near me, or Mr. A's Coffee Shop, or the best coffee shops reviewed by the people. So these are the keywords what people might search for your coffee shop. So you need to include all these keywords in your meta tags, that is meta keywords tags. Now what you need to use in H1 tags. H1 tags are those, that is head 1 tags, that is headings. Those tags are really very important for Googlebot to understand very easily that this website is particularly related to the search what actually people are searching for. This is the way how you need to optimize your website data for the people who are searching for, and this is the way how you need to optimize your website with SEO. To understand it very easily, I will tell you one simple thing when you are actually optimizing your website. Don't think and specify that you are actually optimizing your website for Google. Google is not the thing which is seen for your website. People are actually searching for your website. So it's always better that you make your website human friendly, not SEO friendly. You make your website human friendly, it automatically becomes SEO friendly. How? When you make your website human friendly, that is, which is very easy to find out for the people whenever they are searching for, Google will understand this website is very easy for customers to find out. This is the website which people want to see always in the first results page. Then Googlebot will automatically rank your website in the higher results, that is first or second. That is the way how you need to understand Googlebot that your website contains the exact data or exact content what people are searching for. Your website actually contains what actually people are searching for your coffee shop. This is the way how you need to use SEO for your website, that is your business. This is the way how you need to understand whenever you are optimizing the client's website. And this is the way how you need to make even understand if you own your social media marketing agency or a digital marketing agency for your clients. So we'll meet in the other interesting video. Until then, see that you start practicing these things so that you get to know what are these things, so that it will be easy for you to understand the further topics. See you there.